It's us again.
Can't get rid of us.
Nope.
So this is a different one. We haven't done anything like this before.
I know.
Well, we've done like artsy crafty challenges, so I guess it's kind of like that. But
yeah, we're just gonna
we're gonna draw, and
yes,
we're not good.
No.
At drawing.
No. Well, speak for yourself, Jeff. Actually, speak for yourself.
Okay, I'm good. Amy's not. I was trying to be nice.
You don't know what kind of skills I possess. What kind of creative mind I have.
You can have a creative mind. I can think of good-looking drawings.
You just can't reproduce them.
I can't make them show up here. The brain and the hand, it doesn't. They're not communicating.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so today we have
see.
our blindfolded drawing challenge. We kind of lied because we don't have blindfolds.
But we are going to close our eyes.
We will close our eyes.
Yes.
Promise.
So
yeah, how it works is we have different.
We do not know. We do not know. A staff member, Emmy, wrote these for us.
Yes.
These are 6 different secret things that we're going to draw. We're just going to pick one up, try to draw it in just a couple of seconds, and then the other person has to try to guess.
We talk too much in these videos, so we're going to do it quick.
Oh, we are such magpies.
I mean, look, we're already at like 2 minutes.
Ah!
Haven't done anything. So yeah, we'll take turns. Like Amy will start. She'll grab one, read what it is. Will not show me.
Yes.
She has to draw it. I'll yell at her when to stop.
Yeah. And I'll see
and
if you
then
can
I have to figure
it out.
But she's such a good drawer. It should be nice.
It should be. It's
no
going to
matter
be.
What
I'm going to recreate the Mona Lisa on this paper for you. I hope that was written down on one of these.
It better be.
What if it was? That would be funny.
Good luck. All right, go.
Okay.
Start it.
Oh.
That's the noise you want to hear.
Okay. 1, 2. My eyes are closed. 3.
Okay. We had to find ourselves a fancy tablecloth to put down because we didn't want to ruin our table. Amy didn't trust herself to stay on the paper.
I didn't.
You're about 20 seconds in. I guess I can give you like 10 more seconds.
Okay. No, I'm done.
You're done? Okay. I mean, you're actually right at about 30 seconds, so.
This is what I drew.
Look. The image is both on the paper
and on the tablecloth.
So it's a good thing we've got those tablecloths out.
What do you think this is, Jeff?
Is it something just vague, like it's the zoo?
No, but
okay.
But you could maybe find this at a zoo or an amusement park.
It's a carousel.
It is merry-go-round.
Yeah, that's the fact that this is like I did not expect even this kind of quality. I thought it was an animal like in its cage, but
that's not too bad blindfolded in like
poles,
20 seconds.
I thought we were going for a chair. Like I thought it was going to be a chair, but then when you didn't put legs on it, so I was like, okay, no.
Not too shabby. And that was your first guess. That's great. Okay. All right, your turn.
I don't merry-go-round off the bat.
Are you a little nervous?
No shot. Oh, okay. Okay. I gotta like.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh gosh, am I even?
Can you see our clock or no? Top left.
Yeah, I can.
Okay,
I got you.
All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna give myself like 3 more seconds.
Okay. And start. Eyes closed, start.
Okay. Oh no, there's no way I'm going to be able to connect that line to where I started.
You just try. Just try your very best.
I'm try to go in the sand.
Okay. Mega close.
Okay, now where's the top? Oh, I know what that looks like probably, and that's not what it is. Where's my top?
Jeff, you have only a couple seconds left.
Yeah, you can just stop me at any point in time because this is not going to get better. It's just going to get worse.
Okay, let's stop.
Okay, now listen. I connected.
It's a carrot.
Carrot.
No.
I was terrified that I was I started going out
Yes.
and did not think, look at that. I even like just squiggled to the right a little bit.
Yeah.
Got it.
We gotta save these and show these.
We're such good artists.
Oh my gosh. Can you even believe that? Okay, now my turn again. All right. Okay. I think I can do this.
Focus.
Okay.
You tell me when you want to start.
I'm ready.
I've got my eye on the clock, so go. Since Amy has to focus, I can like plug. Don't forget to sign up for the summer reading program. Summer reading adventure, as we call it.
I think that's all I've got to give.
Close.
I'm done.
Okay, well I can't even plug. Okay, you took.
This is what I drew.
Were those last two dots supposed to be the eyeballs?
Yes.
I mean, is it just an ant?
Yes.
We're so. I don't know if these should have been harder.
Are we just in
topics
each
to
other's
draw.
brains, or what? Have our
I mean,
minds melded at this point?
Maybe. Too many of these videos.
That's a scary thing. Is it?
Um,
That is.
I just can't believe you're able to like remember where you drew things and then go like. I guess you're doing like one continuous.
That's what I'm trying to do. Yes.
One continuous thing, so you know where you were.
Yes, that's what I was trying to do.
I would have
That's-
I would have been all over the place. You would
that's-
just an out drew a circle and be like, ah, crap, where's that circle at?
That's the trait of a true artist, Jeff.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no.
Can you
Here,
do
hold on.
it?
Hold on.
I can't see.
It's not gonna focus. It's not gonna. There it goes. Yeah. Ha. Ha. How? How?
I'm excited.
How?
Ready?
No.
Come on, you gotta go.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3, start.
Like a little doodad there.
A doodad, okay. Good clue.
E. Now we're gonna go all the way down.
Okay.
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 Oh no, there's no way I'm gonna connect it again.
Done.
I don't think.
Okay.
I don't think.
You gotta just be done.
I did not.
Look, it's perfectly on the tablecloth.
So I showed you guys what it was. Okay, just you guess and then I'll explain what I was trying to do.
A kangaroo? With a big foot and a big tail? No! No! How did I get that? And its
That's
face?
the best. Yeah, so obviously I thought the head I was drawing was bigger. One, I thought the entire thing I was drawing was bigger. Like, I thought I made a bigger body,
Right.
a head up here. I thought you were going to say, like, duck or something because of the...
Well, when you started doing that tail, I thought of a big kangaroo tail. And
Yeah.
the belly, I thought.
Yeah, the
I
belly
thought
and the tail were where I had to...
Yeah.
I can't fix it. Whew.
We are 4 for 4. I think.
Quick, easy guesses.
Yeah,
We gotta...
this is-
We're going to have to, like, think of, like, a random challengey thing at the end or something if we keep doing this too easy.
I know. Okay.
That's crazy. Maybe I'm just a better artist than I thought. Maybe that's what this is.
Okay. I think I'm going to do my paper this way for
Oh.
this one.
Don't go off the side.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready, go. Have to do more art challenges. Next video, end of July, pancake art. So if you think we're great artists with just a marker, wait till you see what we can do with pancake mix and a griddle.
I'm done. Well.
Is it just a waffle iron or waffle?
It is!
I think we're just better drawers than we thought we would. I mean, I'm not.
Did the plug
really.
help?
The plug helped. I couldn't think of anything else other than waffles. I'm over here talking about pancake art, and you're drawing waffles. And we had a Will It Waffle video. Oh, it's all coming full circle.
Jeff, if I don't get this one, I'm going to feel so ashamed. If I ruin our streak.
I'll show you guys. Maybe. It's not focusing. It's not focusing. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. It's fine. It's not worth it. Okay.
All right. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? You're ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I want to draw? Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
That's far enough. Problem is, I don't remember where I started.
I know. That's...
I know it's far in that. Oh, kind of far. Am I connecting anything over here?
not quite yet, no.
So I had to go farther that way?
Yeah.
I honestly don't know what else.
You can do?
This feels bad. Hold on. I'm just drawing another of the thing.
I already have my guess. Done.
Yeah, done.
Ohio.
No.
It's not? Darn it!
It is not the great state of Ohio. So these are two of the same thing. Was the attempt? Man, I started way up, way too high up here.
Oh.
Yeah, this is. You're not gonna get this.
I for sure thought it was going to be Ohio. Oh. Animal, vegetable, mineral.
None of the above.
What is it? Just tell me.
No, keep guessing.
A shoe.
They do look like they do look like a couple of shoes, not
A sock.
shoes.
A stocking.
No.
Is it something you wear?
No.
Is it a person, place, or thing?
It's not a person, it's part of your person.
Part of your person?
Yeah.
Is it your crown? Is it your is it your foot?
Crown technically.
Your head, your brain, your cranium, your eyes, your ears, mouth, nose, your larynx.
You can have crowns.
Put on your tooth. A tooth. A tooth. I see it now. I do see it now.
Like, I was trying to do the, like, I don't even know. Maybe I should have done it like.
To be fair to myself, Ohio kind of looks like a tooth.
It does kind of look like a tooth. So even something more like that was the. Not that that's a good one.
I would have gotten that, I think.
Not that that's a good one.
I think what messed me up was like the little dip down here.
Yeah, because I didn't know where I was.
Ohio. Yeah, exactly. That I would have gotten straight away. Huh.
Okay, do you have one more piece of paper?
Yeah.
We're gonna do quick.
Okay. What do you want to? You just gonna do what you want?
We're gonna draw the library.
Oh my gosh! Like the outside of the library.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Both
Front of
close our
it.
eyes and do
Yep.
it. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be horrible, but yeah, just our beautiful.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this painted on the wall when I'm done.
1, 2, 3. I'm feeling.
I can't even.
Hold on.
I opened my eyes. I mean, I didn't draw when I opened them, but I didn't know where I was.
Are you still drawing?
We got this guy. I'm at the top of the paper.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Boom. Library.
Yours is good.
I opened my eyes.
That's me and you.
I drew my first like rectangle and then didn't have a and then I didn't have a clue where it
you
was.
were.
So I looked. I was like, okay, there it is. Closed and drew. Okay.
This
Clearly,
has been
we
fun.
are
I like
great
it.
artists.
Yes.
Let us know who you think did better.
This would be fun just to do at home with your friends.
Yeah, this is fun. It's a.
Just have like somebody.
We got the idea from YouTube anyway.
Yeah, have
Other
somebody
people
else,
doing
like one of your parents or something, just write a bunch of words down, and like you and your brothers
Yeah.
and sisters or friends could do this. This
easy,
makes you laugh.
easy
That's fun. Yeah.
Especially if you're not that good at drawing.
Oh, it makes it more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or when like all of a sudden out of nowhere you draw a perfect carousel right off the bat, and I'm like, oh okay. And then I get to draw a tooth.
It was good though.
Or a kangaroo duck.
A kangaroo duck.
Anyway.
That was great. That was really fun.
All right. Well,
Awesome.
Keep coming and getting our teen kits. They are flying. We're only making it to like Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. Get them
Again,
quick. Yeah.
Begin every week through June and July. A couple in-person programs coming up.
Yep.
When this
Pick
video
up
goes,
if you don't have.
if you don't have our calendar,
Yeah,
grab one.
grab
It's
one
also
of
on the
those.
website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep logging.
Keep logging your reading.
All
We've
your
had
reading.
quite a few teens already come pick up prizes.
Yeah.
But we've got plenty more.
Yeah.
So hurry, come get it.
All right.
Pancake art.
Pancake art
End of
is the
July.
next one. We are not going to be blindfolded for that.
No.
We need all the help we can
And
get.
it's still going to come out like this.
It still might be kangaroo duck.
Still might be a kangaroo duck, but okay. We've talked a lot again.
Thanks,
So,
thanks you guys so much. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, you guys-
See you next time.